Hi! Yeah, this is Emma. Yeah, stop. You have got to be Freddie. I know, we have been messaging back and forth on that app. Okay, pussy? For our cats. Yeah, I actually saw it on TikTok. Like, there were just so many advertisements, those silent cat ads. And I just thought, like, you know what? Maybe Sandra could find love, because sometimes I think she's lonely. Yeah, you think too? I mean, maybe they'll be each other's significant others. I don't know. Um, yeah, and you live close by. No, stop. Are you serious? Mickey was purring when you showed him Sandra's cat pics? That is so sweet. Okay, we're gonna meet in person this Saturday, 2 p.m. at Battery Park. Yeah, and I'll be bringing Santa in a cat backpack. And you'll be bringing Mickey in a cat stroller. This is going to be perfect. Hopefully they'll fall in love. Thank you so much for calling me in person to set this up. That's so great. Okay, bye. Sandra, I'm really upset at you. Okay, when we were at the park, you were so rude. You hissed at Mickey, and he was being perfectly nice. And you were just, are you even listening to me? You can't just walk off on people and hiss on people when you're at a date. You have to be polite. Yeah, you might not like them, but you just can't be rude to them. Hello? Oh! Yeah, we were matched on that website. Your cat's name is Tom. Well, Sandra's had a couple of bad dates, but at the same time, maybe Tom's the one.